Imagine looking up at the night sky and discovering that the moon is gone. Not hidden, not eclipsed, gone. In its place is a black hole. Most people hear black hole and assume we're about to be swallowed by a giant cosmic vacuum cleaner, which is understandable. Hollywood has spent decades encouraging that belief. But that's not how black holes work. Let's replace the moon with a black hole that has exactly the same mass. No more, no less. Surprisingly, almost nothing catastrophic happens. Earth stays in orbit, the oceans stay where they are, and humanity survives the first day without becoming either space debris or pasta. The reason is simple. Gravity cares about mass. It doesn't care whether that mass is made of rock or compressed into a black hole. So if the gravity is the same, what changes? The moon itself. A black hole with the moon's mass would be absurdly small, smaller than a grain of sand. Imagine replacing the largest object in the night sky with something you could accidentally vacuum up. Moonlight disappears, lunar eclipses disappear. Poets become noticeably less productive. So do werewolf movies. But there would still be one clue. Black holes bend light. Stars behind it would appear slightly distorted. The effect would be tiny, but somewhere in the sky, there would be a small spot where reality appears to be rendering incorrectly, which is exactly the sort of thing astronomers spend their careers hoping to find. Everyone else, not so much. Of course, we've been cheating. We've used a moon mass black hole. Let's stop being reasonable. Suppose the black hole has the mass of the sun and is still sitting where the moon used to be. At that point, Earth is no longer orbiting the sun. Earth is orbiting the black hole. The sun becomes a very bright thing happening nearby, which is not the relationship we usually try to maintain with the sun. Some people might worry about what happens to the seasons. This concern is understandable. It is also roughly equivalent to worrying about your dinner reservation while your house is being carried away by a tornado. The surprising thing about black holes is that they are not cosmic vacuum cleaners. They follow the same laws of gravity as everything else. A moon mass black hole would mostly be a scientific curiosity. A sun mass black hole where the moon used to be would be a strongly worded complaint from the laws of physics. Fortunately, the moon remains stubbornly non-black hole shaped. For now.